Most photo to SVG converter tutorials make the same mistake. They act like success means the photo became an SVG file. But if that file is full of noisy paths, muddy shadows, and details you cannot cut, edit, recolor, or resize cleanly, you did not convert the photo. You converted the problem. Photos are packed with information. Texture, lighting, blur, background objects, reflections, skin tones, fabric, grain, and shadows all make sense to your eye. Effectifile does not understand that. It turns those details into shapes, and too many shapes make an SVG painful. SVG Genie gives you the cleaner route. Instead of trying to preserve every pixel, describe the SVG asset you actually need: a bold silhouette, a simple sticker, a cut file, a website graphic, a product mark, or a clean illustration based on the photo. This topic came from duplicate recovery after the queue was exhausted. I checked more than 5 replacement candidates with Data4CO. Photo to SVG converter showed about 2,400 searches per month, and the YouTube results were mostly craft and conversion tutorials, not clean editable SVG. Workflows? Here is the rule that saves the file. Do not ask for a literal photocopy. Ask for the useful vector version of the photo. Keep the subject. Keep the silhouette. Keep the visual idea. Drop tiny texture, soft shadows, messy backgrounds, and color noise. Start with the photo or reference image. Maybe it is a pet portrait, a product shot, a mug, a sign, a flower, a person, a building, or a handmade sketch. The input gives direction, but the output should be cleaner than the source. Now, take the real instruction, turn this product photo into a clean cuttable SVG, bold silhouette, limited 2-color palette, smooth paths, transparent background, no tiny shadows, ready for Cricut, stickers, web, and print. In seconds, SVG Genie gives you vector directions that behave like source files. You can scale them without blur, change colors, remove shapes, export a PNG preview, or keep the SVG as the master file for cutting, code, print, and design tools. Before you trust any photo to SVG workflow, run 4 tests. Zoom in. Change one color. Delete one shape. Open it in the tool you actually use, like Cricut Design Space, Figma, Illustrator, Inkscape, or Code. If it fights you, regenerate cleaner. A prompt formula is simple. Name the subject from the photo. Name the destination, clean editable SVG. Add constraints, limited colors, smooth paths, transparent background, no tiny details, strong silhouette. Then name the final use case: Cricut, sticker, logo, website, print, or merch. This is the real choice. Quick trace can look impressive in a preview and still be awful as a source file. A clean SVG master may simplify the photo, but that is exactly why it becomes useful. Fewer paths, clearer shapes, easier edits. If the first version is too busy, do not repair every anchor point by hand. Ask for fewer shapes, thicker outlines, flatter color regions, more negative space, and a stronger silhouette. With AI generation, iteration beats cleanup almost every time. This is useful for pet portraits, product photos, craft files, stickers, signs, labels, classroom graphics, small business logos, merch designs, event badges, website, illustrations, and any photo-based idea that needs to survive as a real vector. Keep SVG as the source of truth. From that master, export PNG for previews, PDF for sharing, Figma for layouts, React or inline SVG for code, and cut-friendly files for Cricut or print. One clean vector should create every version you need. The search opportunity is real. Data4SEO shows photo to SVG converter at about 2,400 searches per month. The current YouTube results prove people want the workflow. The stronger promise is not another trace button. It is clean cuttable SVG output. You can try SVG Genie free with no credit card required. After that, credit packs start at $9 with no subscription to cancel. If one clean SVG saved you from manually tracing or repairing a photo-based design, it already paid for itself. So stop turning photos into vector mush. Go to svgenie.com, describe the clean SVG you need, and generate an editable file you can resize, recolor, cut, print, code, and actually own.